Welcome back. We've shifted focus right now to the Mahakumbh. The Prime Minister is all set to visit the Mahakumbh. The Prime Minister will take the holy dip in the Triveni Sangam and will offer prayers to the Holy Ganga at around 11 a.m. today. Take a look at this report for more.
Prime Minister Modi is all set to visit the ongoing Mahakumbh today. Today, the day of Magashmi, is when the Prime Minister will take a holy dip in the Holy Triveni Sangam at around 11 a.m. An auspicious day in the Hindu calendar, Magashmi is known for the devotion and acts of charity. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also accompany the Prime Minister.
आज ये जो तीर्थराज प्रयाग का महाकुंभ, आस्था का कुंभ ऐतिहासिक बना है, दिव्य और भव्य बना है, जिसमें अब तक मैं समझता हूँ 38 करोड़ लोग स्नान कर चुके होंगे। इसके पीछे माननीय मोदी जी की सोच है। तो माननीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में उनकी आकांक्षाओं के अनुरूप माननीय योगी जी ने जो परिश्रम किया, योगी की पूरी सरकार ने जो परिश्रम किया है, उसके कारण आप देख रहे हैं कि सारे देश से और विदेश से सब जगह से भीड़ दौड़ती चली आ रही है।
This comes just a day after the King of Bhutan also visited Prayagraj and took a holy dip in the company of UP's Chief Minister. Until now, over 37 crore devotees have already taken a holy dip at the Mahakumbh.
Delhi is voting to decide the fate of its 70 assembly constituencies. With key candidates in the fray, many high-profile battles are shaping the future of the national capital. Now, the BJP is looking to challenge Aam Aadmi Party's dominance, while Congress hopes to revive its lost ground. Watch this report as we highlight the biggest developments coming in.
Delhiites are casting their vote today, with key constituencies witnessing tight contests. In New Delhi, all eyes are on Arvind Kejriwal, who is seeking re-election from this prestigious seat of New Delhi. BJP's Parvesh Verma, his main challenger, is aiming to unseat Kejriwal by highlighting corruption allegations during AAP's tenure. In Jangpura, Manish Sisodia is facing a credibility test. Sisodia has built his campaign on education reforms but faces criticism from the opposition over governance issues. Kalkaji is witnessing a key battle between Chief Minister Atishi and BJP's Ramesh Bidhuri. While Atishi is banking on her work in education, BJP's Bidhuri has been reaching out to voters with promises of better infrastructure and public services. Sandeep Dixit from Congress is hoping to capitalize on his family's legacy. However, the Congress is struggling for relevance in Delhi. As the BJP focuses on delivering its message of accountability, progress and development, it has been making significant inroads in constituencies traditionally dominated by the Aam Aadmi Party. Meanwhile, the AAP is fighting to retain its ground amid corruption allegations. By the end of the day, the fate of Delhi's key leaders and the future of its governance will be sealed. All eyes are now on the people's verdict as the city decides its future today.